In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Japanese lunchbox. I just put rice and water in a pan and placed the rice cooker. So now let's make grilled pork wrap or nikimaki. It's so easy to make. Just get thinly sliced pork and line them on a plate. Just make sure there are no gaps between each pork. So you rather want to have a bit of layers than the gaps. And cut the vegetables thinly to the length of the meat hook. Vegetables that you can cut into stick shapes are ideal for this pork wrap, and I like to add shimeji mushrooms or konjac to my pork wrap. Lay the vegetables down close to the edge. Put it forward away from you over the fillings. I added cheese too, and hold the wrap tightly while you wrap it.
それで一人一個みたいな感じでいけるんじゃない？
お弁当に入れるんだよ。
だってこっちしびれてんねんって言ってたからすごい寝てた。
Sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides. Dash some flour. Remove excess flour. Now it's time to grill them. Heat a pan up on a medium heat and pour some oil. Then place the pork wraps and put a lid on. Turn the heat down to low heat and wait until the bottom gets brown. And then you can turn around to brown all sides. Please make sure to do this on a low heat, otherwise you will get burnt on the outside, raw on the inside. While waiting, let's make Japanese rolled omelette, also known as tamagoyaki. Mix 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of dash powder, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. When all sides get brown, add seasonings. I added 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and bring it to some boils. It tasted a little bland. I think I could have put 1 tablespoon of sugar as well as another tablespoon of soy sauce. So do some taste tests. So now let's make omelette. I failed at the first try, so it's not worth a watch, but I tried it again. This is my second attempt. I learned I need to use lots of oil to make a successful omelette. Pour 1/3 of the egg mixture at a time and cook it on low heat until the bottom gets completely cooked but the upper side is still soft, as in like runny. When you pour another mixture, please make sure you add the mixture under the omelette you just cooked.
I'm just leaking when I'm hits. Full of envy while they staring and they reeking cause they pissed. Moving selfish, we ain't sharing, can't be tweaking. I'm no bitch, screaming beast that go dumb. I be retarded with the pics. Nines punching on target with no shopping, be a bitch. And she taking by the fit, bacon burning so I'm crisp. Why I sell, be the smell the sauce simple when it drip. Like the water, I need me some baller. I see me go IED, no Ivy League can't bother. Sorry mama, I don't fit in honors. Nagging me 100 times, this is still the product, so I just wanna pop it off, jump in the whip with sevens up. Feelings like some soda, I prefer to keep it bottled up. Nobody can copy us, I put in work way too much. Go mind your business like the witness we all knew you was.
Insert knife almost vertically and deeply. Turn the object and insert knife like you just did until it meets the bottom of the belly to make a tiny notch.
And we ain't getting younger, so let's get this fucking money. No, it's getting runny, sick of all them fools above me. It ain't funny, spend my pennies wise, counting ain't gon' help me. You keep all that drama while I keep my mental healthy. Staying moving on my solo, fishing like the logo. Climbing the cliff like Frodo, hope the top suit like a Rolo. Only child, but I got my brothers tatted on me. They the ones who have it with me. When we see a bag, they the ones who grab it with me. I'ma go get what's mine, they be like way behind. Coming in hot, doing my job, you ain't gon' waste my life. On my business vibe, cutthroats not cutting ties. I feel the stellar life just better when you come to mind. Might just go drop like 30 pounds cause I forget to eat. Try don't miss a beat, I got no option, this shit all I see. Pay dues, you paying fees, foot brace don't need no tea. Push on the box, you a scrub, call me Mr. Clean.
だったら